Good morning, students. Today let us start our class with the lesson demonstrative pronouns. Okay. We use demonstrative pronouns to point out or to show the objects to which they refer. Okay. Let's take examples, then you will understand it very easily. This is my photograph. Okay. These are my photographs. That is my photograph. Those are my photographs. Okay. In these sentences, we use this, these, that, those. These all are demonstrative pronouns. Why? Because this, these, that, those all are used to point out or to show the objects to which they refer. Okay? Here, this point out or points out the photograph. Okay? And here we use these to point out photographs. Okay? That also we use here to point out photograph. Those also we use to point out photographs. Okay? So, we can say demonstrative pronouns are those like this, these, that and those to point out or to show the objects to which they refer. Okay? And mainly this, these, that, those are called the demonstrative pronouns. Okay? And we use this and these for people or things that are near to us. Okay? And we use that and those for people or things that are far from us. Okay? And this and that are used with the singular nouns. Okay? And these and those we use with the plural nouns. We can also use this as demonstrative adjectives. Okay? When they are used with nouns, we can say these are demonstrative adjectives. Okay? In this sentence you can see this is, after this is coming. Okay? Then only my photograph is coming. Okay? This is to point out the photograph. This is used here to point out photograph. But this one is singular and this one is demonstrative pronoun also. Why? After this, what is coming? Is coming. Okay? It is used to point out photograph. Okay? But in demonstrative adjectives, you can see this bicycle is mine. Okay? This bicycle is mine. First this is coming, then the noun is coming. Okay? And then only we can write is mine. Okay? Then demonstrative adjectives we use like this. Okay? Means this, these, that and those are also used as demonstrative adjectives when it comes with the nouns. Okay? Here this, after this noun is coming. So this one is demonstrative adjectives. Here demonstrative pronoun. This, after that what is coming? Is coming. Later only my bicycle is coming. Okay? So in demonstrative adjectives, first this, these, that or those will come. After that soon the noun will come. Okay? These bicycles are mine. Okay, here you can see these are my bicycles. Okay, here it is used as demonstrative pronoun. After this, what is coming? Are is coming. Then only bicycles is coming. Okay, here also that bicycle is mine. After that, what is coming? Bicycle. Noun is coming. So this one is demonstrative adjective. Here we can write that is my bicycle. Okay. Here after that is coming. Then only it is pointing out the noun bicycle. Okay. Here demonstrative pronoun is used to denote or point out the noun. Okay. The object. Okay. Here next one, those bicycles are mine. After those, what is coming? Bicycles. Okay, so this one is demonstrative adjective. We can change it into demonstrative pronouns like those are my bicycles. Okay, after those, main verb are is coming. Okay, here those to point out bicycles, my bicycles. Okay. Students, this and that are used with the singular nouns and these and those are used with the plural nouns. Okay, here you can see this bicycle, it is singular, so is. These bicycles, this means here bicycles, more than one, so are, it is plural. That bicycle, only one, so is. Okay, and it is singular. Those bicycles, more than one. Okay, so it is plural and we used are here. Okay. Students, hope you have understood this chapter well. So, do the exercise of this chapter on page number 49. Okay.